The Sun is the largest body in the solar system, which is located at its center. Although it's a medium-sized star that emits heat and light, it seems to be the biggest, as it is the nearest star to us compared to the other stars. Planets are 8 dark bodies that revolve around the Sun in fixed orbits. We can arrange the planets according to their size descendingly as follows: Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Earth, Venus, Mars, and Mercury. Moons are followers of the planets and orbit around them. There are other celestial bodies in the solar system, such as asteroids, meteors, meteorites, and comets. Identify each of the planets that exist in our solar system. Click on each spot to learn more about each planet. Mercury is the smallest and the nearest planet to the Sun. Mercury is the smallest and the nearest planet to the Sun. Venus is the most beautiful planet, and it's the second nearest planet to the Sun. Venus is the most beautiful planet, and it's the second nearest planet to the Sun. Earth is the planet where we live. It lies between Venus and Mars. Earth is the planet where we live. It lies between Venus and Mars. Mars is known as the red planet due to the presence of iron metals and rocks. Mars is known as the red planet due to the presence of iron metals and rocks. Jupiter is the biggest planet. Jupiter is the biggest planet. Saturn has a big number of colored rings rotating around it. Saturn has a big number of colored rings rotating around it. Uranus is the coldest planet. Uranus is the coldest planet. Neptune is the farthest planet, and it's called the blue planet. Neptune is the farthest planet, and it's called the blue planet.
Some differences between the stars, planets, and moons. Click to compare between them. Stars are shining bodies that swim or rotate in the space, but planets are 8 dark bodies rotating around the Sun, while the moons are the followers of some planets that revolve around them. Stars emit heat and light, but planets don't emit heat and light. Also, moons don't emit heat and light. The Sun is an example of stars, while the Earth is an example of planets, and our Moon is an example of moons.
We know that the moons are followers of the planets, and they revolve around them. But do you know why our moon appears shiny? In this activity, we will learn why. Click on the Start button to begin our activity. In this activity, we will need a small plastic ball, an aluminum paper foil, and a pocket torch. First, we will cover the ball with a foil paper to represent the moon. Then, we will switch off the lights of the classroom. Finally, we will turn on the torch and direct it towards the ball. We will observe that we can't see the ball in the dark. And after turning on the torch, the ball will appear shiny. Watch the video to observe what happened.
Pretend that this ball is the moon, the light is the sun, and you are the earth. Each night, we see more and more of the lit part of the moon facing earth until we see the whole moon. Then, more and more of the dark part of the moon faces the earth until we don't see the moon at all.
So, we conclude that the moon is a dark body, but it seems shiny because it reflects the sunlight falling on its surface.